Hello, all. In today's class, we'll discuss benefits of CPS. So we have discussed this part. CPS is Cyber Physical Systems have transformed for various applications, various industries by integrating this computational intelligence and physical processes. Okay. Now, this CPS is useful to improve the efficiency for various automation industry. It can be useful for real-time decision making purpose. Now, what are the key advantages of this CPS that we'll discuss? So, first part is if you look at the overall automation processes. Now, it is helping to improve the efficiency and productivity. Okay. Now, if you take example of automation industries, CPS enables automations in manufacturing sector, at healthcare sector, at transportation. It is minimizing the human interventions. It is reducing the human interventions, and it can increase operational speed. Second part is if you consider the optimized resource utilizations, like we have smart algorithms are there, which is help to optimize the energy, optimize the materials and time, and can helpful to reduce the wastage. Third part is predictive maintenance. So there are sensors and AI analytics parts is there, which is used to predict the failures before they appear. Then it can reduce the downtime and maintenance cost also. If you take example of smart factories like Industry 4.0, so CPS enhance the production efficiency by automating the machinery, by monitoring the operations in real time. Okay. Now, just if you look at the overall part, like suppose if we have some devices like bearing inspection purposes. Now, there are systems are available in market, contactless type of devices are available in market. Based on that particular systems, easily we can check the bearing conditions, its wear and tear. We can check the surface finishing of that particular part. That kind of facility is available under QA, where we can easily inspect this particular bearing part. So this is the one part where we are saying that based on this CPS, easily we are including due to these automations and overall integrations of AI with actual manufacturing processes. It is helping to improve the efficiency and productivity. Now, second part is it is useful to enhance the safety and reliability. Like suppose if you take example of real-time monitoring and control, CPS is continuously monitor the physical environment. It can detect the anomalies. It can respond them immediately. Again, for failure preventions, systems can automatically shut down if it is unsafe for operations in case of potential hazards. So that part is again there. Then if you take example of autonomous vehicle. Okay. Now this autonomous vehicle use CPS to prevent the accident by detecting obstacle in real time, and it's make the real time adjustment. Like suppose say we have this AI integrations of CPS with a driverless car. So whatever position sensors or optical sensors are there, which is mounting on that particular car, it can easily detect this obstacle nearby that particular car. That algorithm will sense that data, and based on this, control system will work, and your car will automatically get stopped. Okay, this part is there already in Tesla. Okay, then next is for real-time decision making. So we have different data-driven insight, like to process large amount of data from sensors. We can use this CPS with the help of data analytics tools like Apache Hadoop or any stream analytics parts. We can use this CPS. Then it can faster response to changes. Okay, it can quickly adopt the environmental changes using AI and machine learning part. Like suppose if we have example of smart grids. So smart grids can adjust electricity distribution dynamically. It can optimize the energy usages and can prevent the blackouts. Okay, now we have smart meters in market where based on the particular requirement of energy, that particular amount of energy will get sent to that consumer as per their recharge. Then next is cost reductions and resource optimization. So it is helping to reduce the labor cost due to automations. We are reducing the human interventions, and that's why it can save the labor cost. Then energy efficiency. Smart systems are optimize the energy consumptions, which can lead to cost saving. Then again, CPS minimize the material waste to precise control. We have this feedback system based on the actual data. This CPS can work into the environment, and it can easily reduce the wastages of material. Then next, if you look at the example of smart buildings, okay, now we have in smart buildings we have we can adjust the lighting and heating based on the occupancy and can reduce the energy bill. So based on the available sensors, temperature sensors are there overall. Uh, uh, Based on the illuminations and overall temperature inside that particular home or house, it can reduce the bills. It can operate the internal home appliances, and it can save the energy. Next is we have scalability and flexibility. Okay. Now this CPS part is implement across the various industries like healthcare and automotive industries. It can be adaptable. It can be easily adaptable for various domains like automotive sector, aerospace sector. Now again, CPS is upgradable. So we have this AI and like physical components integrated with software with the help of AI and machine learning algorithms. So it is helping us to upgrade. So without replacing hardware, we can upgrade that system. That is again major part or major we can say advantage of CPS is there whenever we are talking about the expansion of these devices at various machines. Okay. Then next part is there for modular design. Okay, we can replace this. Components can be added or replaced based on the requirement. Like suppose if we have cloud connected CPS logistics is there. Now it can use to without any changing the infrastructure easily we can analyze the overall operations of that particular business. Okay. Again, it can enhance the human machine collaboration. So we have intelligent assistant is there. So to take example of robots, okay, that can perform the complex tasks, or you can take example of AR/VR like augmented reality integrations. It can help to real-time training and operational products. So for robotic assisted surgery, okay, without interventions of any humans, people can directly perform that operations with the help of robots, which is enhance the precision, okay, with the help of these control systems. So this is the one part. Next is cyber security and secure operations. So we have CPS integrates encryptions of multi-layer security features, and it can authorize the users that can operate that particular systems. Okay, like we have IoT devices like industrial IoT systems are there that can prevent cyber attacks on critical infrastructure. Okay, that is the benefit of this CPS. Now just look at the example. We're talking about next gen CPS. Okay, now this is one more thing where we are parallel integrating these physical components with communications networks, and the data will get stored into cloud, and then finally analysis is done for particular decision making. Like just look at the example. At physical systems, what we have visors, we have machines, we have actuators, we have sensors. Okay, whatever data it is generated, that data collected at this particular environmental conditions. Okay, that data, okay, will get stored to that data will get sent to cloud with the help of some communication network. Like we have RAN, okay, we have WSAN, okay, we have TCP/IP protocol stacks is there, okay, we have 5G network. So this data, this part will come under this embedded system. So whatever data is there, that data will get transferred from this physical system part to that server. Whether we are talking about analysis of single machine or whether we are talking about performance of entire industry. Based on this analysis, we are taking into that data. Now, ultimately, this data will get sent to server. Okay. Now, with the help of this communications protocol, after sending the data on that cloud system, what we have lightweight that is we have cyber systems which is using big data part. We have this cloud storage, different cloud storage as there. We have AI and ML algorithms are there. With the help of this AI ML algorithms, we are analyzing some particular data with respect to some parameters. So we are doing some data analysis. Okay. So based on this particular data, company can take the decision whether that system is performing as per the requirement or not. Okay. So this is the major advantage why people are implementing CPS at real-time or real-time applications, where the systems can easily analyze the performance of your machines or your different components in the industry, and based on that particular part, that company can take the appropriate decision. Okay, so this is the major advantage why people are implementing this CPS, and this is the next gen operational engineering technology, where we are taking that data from sensors, then that data will get stored or it will get sent to storage, and then with the help of big data analysis, like we are using AI and ML algorithm, and based on this algorithm parts, we will get the appropriate analysis of the system. Okay, so this is overall about advantages of CPS, benefits of CPS, and these examples of CPS, why people are implementing CPS for real-time applications. Okay, so thank you all. We'll stop here. In next class, we'll discuss about digital thread.